What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Auto Auction Rebuilds. We're back with Monkey Wrench Mike.
We're back. How far have we made it?
Well, we've got, yeah, that's funny. Yeah, so there he is. He left, and he leaves us with this car with a burned out headlight.
With a burned out headlight.
Just asking to get pulled over. And I guess, how long has it been since we've worked on the, yeah, there, he's leaving. He's leaving. Okay, well, that's fine.
Okay.
Let's, and don't mind the cow patty.
Yeah, we've been dodging those.
So we're gonna use, Sam was gracious enough to leave this jack out here for us.
Okay.
It's a little rusty, but
where's the pad?
yeah, I don't know. Let me find it. We got to jack this up and try to change the headlight so we can hit the road.
Okay. Do it. Hit it.
This jack
is jacked.
Well, it's not. Listen, it's not doing it so bad now. There. This is totally safe. Oh yeah.
Yeah. Now just put your head under there. Here, I can do that.
Everybody.
Let's get you doing actual work. Here we go.
It'd help if there was that extra.
You need that, yeah.
Yeah. Everybody said you should never buy a car from a YouTuber. I didn't listen. Lesson learned.
Okay.
There we go. Boy, that trim tool's kind of jacked up too. There we go. There's one of about 10. Oh, good Lord. There's cow. There's
cow poo on your tool.
Cow crap on everything under here.
Well, this is a working farm.
Yeah. Yeah. Where's the chickens? Okay. Oh, that is a...
How many clips do you have in there?
There's a lot.
To change a headlight?
To change a freaking headlight. They thought they were building a Ferrari or something.
Okay.
I don't know. Okay, so how do you get... This is my wheelhouse. Why am I...
Right.
Yeah. How hard could it be to... Oh, there's...
Is there not one in there?
There's nothing in there. And it looks like there's supposed to be a screw. Oh boy. Don't touch the glass.
Yeah, don't touch that.
And I don't see the connector in there either.
Wait, there's no electrical connector?
Oh man. Hopefully this just... Oh boy. There's supposed to be something that holds this in. For sure. Yeah. Okay, let's troubleshoot.
Okay. You don't turn it in and twist it?
No. No, there are two little...
There's two little notches in this, a square and a circle. Like it would go that way and then twist.
You think?
I've never changed a headlight in a vet though.
I almost want to see the other side. Or we could open the headlight that's... Let me see. Because there's notches inside of this too. See, it lines up. No, see, those notches don't move. There's no grooves, it just sits on it.
Oh.
So that you get it in straight, I guess.
So you need a clip to hold it on.
There's some kind of a... I wonder if it's in the trunk.
Well, I can go look.
You know what, Mike? I think SamCrac scammed us. I'm gonna say it. I'm gonna say it. I think SamCrac scammed us, Mike.
Okay, so we're making progress. Kinda.
When my hat comes off, it got serious.
Yeah.
Boy, this is...
So we found the little circle part that holds that in.
Yeah.
Okay.
Little clip, but there's screws that we're missing.
What do the screws do?
They hold this whole bulb into the headlight assembly. Without it, it just kind of...
Oh, so they got to be long to go through the...
Yeah. Otherwise, she just kind of floats around in there and will probably catch something on fire. Those headlight housings are not cheap either. There we go. I mean, it's plugged in. Everything's hooked up. We just need...
Could you borrow one from the other side, or do you need two of them?
Ah, you know, well, you could, Mike, yeah.
See?
Yeah.
That's why you keep me around.
That is a brilliant idea, honestly. It just means we have to go in there and do the same thing on the other side. But in a pinch, it'll work.
Okay.
Do we have any tools? We have no tools.
We have nothing.
He says he has tools. He has something. Okay. You know what, Mike? Because the front end is lifted up off the ground, I've got room in this side.
Oh, you can...
But I will need like a small... Oh, he's bringing my Cheetos.
Well, when you buy a car, you get a can of Cheetos.
A deal's a deal. I want every dollar back I can get. Come on. There we go. I don't need all of them to come out. I just need enough of them to come out. I can get my hand in there and a screwdriver.
You doing both of them?
No, I thought we could steal.
Look. Are these them?
Yeah, that actually...
I saw there's two of them.
Yep, that's it.
Yeah.
Look at that.
No, I need a
Sage.
screwdriver.
I give Sage a lot of crap.
You need to
I
give
will
him more
tell
credit.
you. I tell you, he put them right next to where I found that other thing. So
that's it. And all I need is a
No, it's Allen,
a...
but I got out. Well, I should have. Let's see. Well, I have it somewhere, but dude, Randy, keep this put in my hand for God's sakes, Randy. God gave you 2 hands.
And the Cheez-Its, in case we get hungry on the way home.
Yeah, he said this comes with every car purchase. You get a container of Cheetos.
There you go.
Cheetos popcorn.
You should have him sign it.
Ooh, and then I could sell it on eBay?
Yeah.
You think it's
Make
worth
back
something?
some of your money.
We're going to need you to sign this before we leave.
I didn't say it on camera. Notice I didn't
Nope.
tell him.
Yep.
the
There
problem.
we go.
Till the
Perfect.
camera was off.
Let me see if I got that, so I don't forget anything.
As long as this thing doesn't fall while my head's in here, right? We'll be good. That sun is just...
Mm-hmm.
GM really, seriously, this is
Here, should I stand in here? I'll block
Yeah.
the sun. Is that better?
that helps.
Okay.
It is such a pain to get these in. I'm telling you, this is...
Is it the outside light that it's going into?
Yeah.
Okay. Looks like you're making out with your tire.
I feel like I'm making out with a tire, yeah. At least it's a Michelin.
Oh.
Let's check the other side. All I need is one. I don't need two. We can just take one from the other one. Throw it in
Oh,
here.
well, you got the other one out. You might as well get 2 new bulbs.
Well, yeah, that's true.
But, whatever. I
That's
don't
true. Might as well. If one went out, the other one's probably on its way out too.
4 millimeters, what they said.
That's little.
4 by 10 with
Ooh.
a Phillips head. So those are not
Those
them.
are not them yet.
Or I want to let people know in the future it's 4 by 3/8 screw will work as well.
Oh, this is held in with duct tape on both of them.
No, it's not duct tape. You know what it is? It's aluminum tape because when I swear I know this, because when I did the headlights, those were missing these caps. So if you peel the tape back,
Okay, then.
Oh, okay.
yeah, you'll do it. But let me know if you need new aluminum
Let's
tape.
see.
Or we could just go get a 4 millimeter screw. But
Oh,
then,
those are little. Holy crap. Those are tiny, man.
Are they Phillips?
I don't think these are Phillips. These are, no. These are,
Torx?
yeah. Tiny, teeny tiny little Torx.
Let me see what I got here. I'm taking this back. This is the only. I only have one toolkit with all the tools. I keep it near and dear.
One of my what fell out?
I thought it was a pin, but it was a
Oh.
piece of poo or something.
I just lost one of my clips.
Oh.
There we go. Well, at least I got a little better access to it now.
What do you think about this?
That might work. You can't even see this one hardly. This is, yeah, that fits. Please don't drop it. Please don't drop it.
Yeah, that's
Please
gonna be
don't
fun to
drop it.
find if you.
Yeah, like you can't get in here. You can't even get your.
This is how I sell most of my cars, Mike. I go and I give people really
shit.
good deals. Oh no, don't tell me you go.
No.
If you lost one, Randy,
I didn't.
good. Randy's really good. He really drums it up for the camera, doesn't
He does. He's all drama.
Oh yeah.
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 So I gave him a sweet, sweet deal because the buyer backed out, you know.
Yeah.
And
Well.
but the part of the deal is he had to do his own work to get it out of here.
It's a buy here, fix here kind of dealership
Yeah.
you got, right?
Buy here, pay here, and fix here. Okay?
Perfect.
I'm still waiting for the payment part.
I got a checkbook in my briefcase.
Good.
Yeah. You do take checks.
Well,
Perfect.
with proof of funds, right?
Oh no.
Come on,
What'd
dude.
you do? You dropped it
In the
I
housing.
dropped one.
in the housing.
I only dropped one.
yeah.
It just happens to be the one we needed.
Well, we
Yeah.
know what size we need.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got it right here.
All right, good. So Randy's still drumming this up. He dropped it, but he literally dropped it within reaching distance.
Right.
Oh, wait.
Oh, see, here comes
You're
the
right,
other
I
one.
did drop it within reaching
See?
distance.
Yeah.
I have a magnet too. Do you need a magnet?
Should I risk dropping it again or should I use a magnet? Hold on, I got it. Wait,
See, the drama. Here comes the drama.
I'm gonna drop it.
The suspense is killing me.
I'm gonna drop it.
Careful, Randy, careful.
I'm trying.
I'm going to go
Wait,
to the
I got it. I got it. I got it. I got it.
Look at him. He's so full of shit, this guy.
Mike said I should have been an actor. I missed my calling.
He should have, yeah.
There we go.
Look at that.
Oh, and you got the bulb out.
Yeah.
Wait, but did you get both screws? Look, he's got
did.
both of them too. Look at this guy.
So I'm gonna use one on each,
I got it.
and then.
And it'll be good as new.
Yeah.
And weight reduction, because now you're down a screw.
Yeah, at least 1/8 of an ounce.
See how nice I am? Is buy here, pay here, but I do provide the parts.
Yeah.
Yes.
So there you go. Brand new xenon bulbs for your brand new, very used C6 Corvette.
With my brand new used battery.
But we still have to get to the story, Randy. There's a reason why you're the default winner of this car. You are not the first winner of this car.
I'm not.
But the difference between you and the other guy, big difference. What was the difference, Randy?
I'm a famous YouTuber.
No.
Oh.
You showed up.
Oh yeah, yeah,
No,
yeah.
you showed up
I paid too.
and you
I
paid. All right, here we go. That's good. Then I'm gonna just tell you the bridge story. I want to give you a little drama.
I need a screwdriver.
What do you
What
mean?
a screwdriver?
A flathead to get this off.
Yeah.
This thing is stuck. It's gonna slice me up.
That's a picture right there, Randy. Just look up and show everybody what you're doing.
Here. And I got a nice sink.
Boy, these are
That's good, right?
some real pliers right there. And then people think he doesn't have tools.
Yeah.
Look at that tool. That was the perfect tool.
The perfect.
Look at
All
that.
right. I don't think you need that to put it back.
Randy, that's gonna scratch the paint.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Mako will really be upset with me if it's got any scratches in it before I give it to them. Okay.
Now leave one
Well,
screw
I'm gonna-
there.
I'm gonna
Yeah,
stick it
don't-
right there.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna do it on the outside, not the inside.
Yeah, don't lose this.
Yeah, because this is for all the beans right here. Oh, and you know what? You gotta.
What?
It'd help if you could see in here, huh?
Well, yeah.
Is that magnetic by chance?
Oh. Now you're getting gutsy.
No, that
Like
is
Hillary,
Not, that is
you know,
not.
like the show. Mike, I can tell Mike's a little political junkie. He doesn't mind whether they're, wusses like Pence or
Right.
He can't
pussies
help
like,
it because
no, I'm kidding.
I'm independent these days.
oh, I give him hell.
He makes me watch Fox News all the time.
You should be thankful that I'm
You
letting
know,
you watch. Fox.
I like Tucker.
Oh, Tucker
I'm
Carlson.
Yeah?
Tucker.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, don't put that on video. See,
Well, there is no
See?
footage. It's all gone.
And the one thing is, I think we can all pretty much agree. We don't want. I don't think waste is good. Waste is
No.
never good, and
Not
in pretty much all situations.
Right.
You know, there's
That's
like general stuff. Uh-oh, now it still don't work. Well, Randy got a wiring issue I didn't know about, so good usage of time for everyone here.
Okay, yeah.
I can't believe it. I thought for sure xenon bulb went out, but nah.
Maybe it's just a fuse or
Did
something.
you plug it in all the way?
That's what I was just wondering.
Yeah.
Where's that little pry tool? That little,
Your
little
screwdriver?
Little trim tool.
Did
Oh.
I take it away? I don't. If I might have taken it away from you. Or
Yeah, I think you did. I think you took it away.
Gary? I have. Like even if, is it on in there? And it's no, it's not.
No, it ain't on.
Because you could see if it was like tilted upward. It
Yeah,
would
the other one was working, but this one was not. Oh, I left them on, didn't I?
Yeah, they're on.
So another
this is
cool
still-
feature about this one, when you turn the turn signals on, sometimes the brights come on.
Oh, that's nice. Okay.
That's probably
That's
where your
starting to
issue
sound
is.
like a wiring issue.
That sounds like
Yeah.
a safety issue. Yeah.
No, you turn the fogs
So you can
on.
see. You can see when you want to
The
turn.
fogs are good. The fogs are brand. Look at those brand new.
Or only drive during the day is another option. Just don't drive it.
Well, that's true.
Don't drive at night.
That's funny. I have a friend that told me so. I told you about it, Mike. I won't drive on the highway. It's stuck in low.
Mm-hmm.
It's like, yeah.
Oh, you're quicker getting that off now. Oh,
I
is the
do my
sun still
best.
getting you? Here, I gotta cover the sun.
That's
There.
plugged in.
It is.
Yeah, she's in.
I can see it moving,
No,
but
hold
it's not
Yeah,
on.
move the bulb a little bit. I'm just curious of one thing. No, it's not on at all.
Okay. Yeah,
You know,
she's-
sometimes if they're tilted a little bit, they'll just look dim because
Yeah.
it's not on center, but it's not. It's,
All right,
it's
so
not.
she's just.
And it's plugged in.
Yeah, it's plugged
Listen,
in.
your shtick is to make it home, not to make it home with lights,
Yeah,
right?
it's not important.
That's true,
True.
right?
We're just gonna add to the drama. Yeah. Sun up
And I
to.
lost another push pin.
Randy, come on, man.
Well, it's
you're
only
taking
fair.
my cream puff and turned it into like a.
I lost one on the other side. I lost one on this side. I don't care anymore. Truthfully, it's fine. Okay,
Did you just try to move the whole tire?
I did. Yeah.
Okay.
This
Yeah.
is a lot of work for me. Okay, I'm tired. I'm wore out.
Well, let's see this thing.
I'm not used to doing this much work.
I think that this is the tire you're gonna look for. It will tell you front. That's funny.
Okay.
It does work. It tells you on the dash front left tire low, and then you've got that machine and it will tell you. I set the machine back there.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, it's just a little cheapy, but it'll keep you topped off.
What a great jack these are. I've had mine for years,
Ever,
man.
forever.
I got a new one. I use this
Yeah.
as the beater that just like